Okay, so the way this works is pretty simple. Basically, you just spawn in your jobs board structure with a command. I'll send you the command later. Um, you grab it and you place it down, and you can see it says there available jobs. To set up jobs, what you're gonna do is go here, and you're gonna see some options. The first one is Open Jobs menu. This is the one that's gonna let you configure which jobs you want. So right here, as an example, I'm just gonna do these three jobs, and then you're going to click close and save. That's going to save it to the save file. So once you've done that, you can go here and you can see that you have the jobs here. What you're going to want to do is, if you want to add certain items to your jobs, what you're going to want to do is you go here, you open the job text input, you type in the name of the job, for example, warrior, and you click on the item and you go add item to job. That's going to add the spear engram to the warrior class, meaning no other class is going to be able to craft it. Only the warrior will. And you can do that for all of your classes and your items. You click on the item, you set the name you want to use, and then you add it. And this text input is case sensitive, so you have to be careful. You have to make sure that it's spelled exactly the same. Once you've added everything, all the items you want, you're gonna hold this and go to save and refresh job config. What you're gonna see now is that if you open the Engrams tab, you're gonna see, well, in this case you can't really see it because I'm in GCM, but you can see that these engrams require the specific jobs that I added. And down here, you should see all the jobs with their names. Each player will only have one of these unlocked, so they'll only see the one that's unlocked. They'll see all the other ones in black. And basically, the way this works is that you can select a job, and it's gonna give you the engram, and then you can also change your job, and it'll clear all your engrams, but it'll keep the levels you have, but it'll reset your engrams, including the job. So also, if you want to add a cost for changing the job, you have to go here, click on the item you want, and then click on set item as job change cost. This is going to add the specific item and the amount, meaning if you set it to be 100 advanced rifle bullets, that's going to make it so if you want to change your job, you need 100 or more. And it's going to take this 100. It's based on the stack you're currently clicking. So if I split this in half and added 50, see it says there you added it. When you want to go, if you already have a job, if you don't have a job, it'll just show the select jobs like this. If you do have a job, it'll show you to change the job and the cost. Admins can also go here and clear their job, but that's only for admins. Normal players won't be able to do that. So yeah, I'll relog so I don't have GCM, and I'll show you what it looks like when you don't have a job and when you get a job. Okay, so I just relogged and I'm not in admin anymore. So if I go here, you can see I can't see the options for clearing the job or changing the job config. As you can also see, you can now see the available jobs on the board. And if I open my inventory and give myself some levels, you should be able to see that I can't learn these engrams because they were locked behind the specific classes. Meaning the only way I'll be able to craft this and learn this engram is if I get one of those jobs. And right down here, you can see that all of these are 20 jobs that I currently don't have because I don't have any jobs right now. So I'm going to get a job and show you what it looks like. So right here it says select a job. To select, I'm going to select warrior, for example. As you can see, it says I learned it, and now if I want to go back here, it says if I want to change the job, I'm going to need 50 advanced rifle bullets. And if I go into my inventory, I should be able to see that now it says that I have the warrior job, and if I go up here, I should be able to learn the spear. And if you want to remove items from jobs, it's the same process. You open this, you type in the name of the job, you click on the item, and you click remove. There is one caveat with this. When you remove items, when you remove it and you refresh, it's still going to show up as if it needs that engram. The thing you have to do to fix this is that you only have to restart the server if you want to remove stuff. For adding stuff, you don't have to reset the server, but for removing stuff, you do. That's just how Arc works, and I'm pretty sure that's it. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to know. Oh, and as you can see, if I press the extended HUD info, you can see in the bottom right there, it says the name of my job on the job buff. So yeah, that should be. Oh, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you change job. So right here, I already have the item, so I'm gonna change my job to lumberjack. It's gonna reset my engrams again. It kept the levels, but it reset my engrams. And now you can see that I can't learn the spear, but I can learn the hatchet. And if I go down here, you can see I have the lumberjack job. So yeah, that should be it. Let me know if you have any questions, if you need anything, if you need to know anything. I also added the hitching post, but that one should be self-explanatory. You'll see when you place it down. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, let me know if you need any more info on this.